We're Chicagoland specialists in raising sunken concrete, but sometimes we're asked to lower raised concrete. A common problem we see are slabs heaved by tree roots, causing an eyesore and unsafe conditions. While lowering concrete isn't a service we provide, we can raise adjacent sections to level joints, correct pitch, and eliminate trip hazards. This video is a great example of us saving not only sunken, but heaved concrete as well. Let's check it out now. So that's it. Our certified installers have saved another sidewalk, saving this homeowner thousands in replacement costs. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, Chicagoland's original polyurethane specialists, and its smart lift system can do the same for you.